Ugaruruku wa riera ni thina munene uria ukoretwo ukigumira sekta ya urimi bururi-ini makiria unyihu wa mbura na ongerereku urugari undu uria macungirira ni kuhotoma kwa magetha bururi-ini.
The transformation of agriculture sector can only be effected with the presence of certain initiatives, building of knowledge and skills to those involved in creating change.
Akiaria kigomano-ini giki murugamiriri munene wa uthuthuria maundu-ini megie mani na urimi Mwangi Gioshe ni atarire honge ciothe cia urimi gukorwo na unyitaniri na niguo gutigirira arimi mathomithio maundu megie kuhurana na mbara ino iria ingirehe king'uki na ng'aragu bururi-ini.
The application of research and innovation to counter climate change and achieve compatibility is a step towards attaining resilience and food security in ourselves. The main drivers of this change will be the counties who are the bedrock of agriculture being a devolved function.
Geni ongereire kuga ati thirikari ciothe cia kaunti ni cibatie gwetha mitaratara mirumu ya kugacirithia urimi kaunti-ini ciao na niguo gukinyaniria utamburukia wa mahinya gigatiba.
The communities will therefore be involved in driving up change, thus promoting sustainability, as the knowledge can be passed down from one generation to another, promoting continuity of interventions.
Gukire uguo he bata makinyia madado kumakorwo makiarirwo niguo kugacirithia urimi kuona gukorwo kuo kwa irio cia kugana kuri Akenya ni kimwe kia itugi inya cia mutongoria wa bururi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV metha ya wonjoria njitagwo Waitherero wa Kamau.